How to make this. Components, breadboard, Arduino, ultrasonic.sensor, buzzer, servo.motor, traffic LED.module, wires, connection.
Sponsored by JLCPCB, one of the world's largest .PCB and SMT manufacturers. They provide high-quality custom PCBs. Polyimide flexible heaters only $1. Silicon rubber heater only $3. This is perfect for makers and creators. Fast production for DIY and robotics projects. Innovation starts with JLCPCB.com.
That's all. Connections over. Download the code and upload, that's all.